Morning, I'm coming to you from the future. This is about 2 or 3 months ahead of the video you're about to watch. The reason being is I have that many videos to finish and to edit. I'm just kind of, I wouldn't say falling behind, but I've got that many kind of in the bag ready to do. And I'm really trying to play catch up. Now, the reason I wanted to just do a little bit of a future introduction on this video was I've been monitoring my YouTube channel and something's not right. My viewing figures are really down. Now I know they've changed the YouTube algorithm yet again, and I don't follow all these, why they've changed it and what they've changed it to. I just can't be bothered with it. I just want to do my videos and let people watch them. But one thing I feel isn't right is my videos are not getting out there for some reason. Now I don't know if it's me being rubbish or I don't know if it's YouTube or whatever, but obviously I want to try and correct that. So for this video I'm going to release it on a different YouTube channel just for a little bit of an experiment to see how it performs against how it performs on my channel, if you know what I mean. So I've created a new account just for this one video, just to see how it goes, to see if it's my videos on my channels that have been affected or it's just me that I'm crap. Because I have watched other people's videos, some of the people's photography videos on birds and bird photography, and I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but they are terrible. The photos are terrible, they're just boring as hell. They've got, I don't know, I'm not going to slag them off, but basically they're crap. And they're getting like thousands and thousands of views. Now I can't see what I'm doing wrong and what I'm doing differently to make me only get like 100 or 200 views. So yeah, bit of an experiment. So I'll stop waffling on and interrupting the video I took 2 or 3 months ago. So here it is now.
Morning, I'm at Middleton Lakes today. It's Sunday and the weather's supposed to be better today than it was yesterday, so that's why I kind of saved Middleton Lakes for a Sunday instead of a Saturday. So far it's really quiet. I can hear kind of things, but I haven't really I haven't seen anything yet, and I'm at the lakes. There's a couple of swallows flying around the barn, but I didn't want to hang around there too long. No sighting of the owl this morning, according to some of the guys in the barn itself. I had a walk through the woodland, didn't see anything, and then when I got to the kind of canal bridge, there was no little birds about or nothing. So I went straight over there, and I could hear some bullfinches, but I couldn't see them. And I also heard the cuckoo for a little bit, but then I lost it. So I've come straight over to the lakes, and I'm walking the different way around to what I normally do. I normally go right, but I'm going left because people have told me you can see the green woodpeckers around here early in the morning. Now it's only 6:45, so that's fairly early. So fingers crossed I'm going to either bump into one of them or I'm going to catch the cuckoo coming this way around. That's the plan. I remember now why I don't walk this way. I've got the sun blasting in my face from that direction, and that's where all the lakes are. So on this side I've only kind of got the odd bush here and there, and then I've got all these open fields with Canada geese in. Morning. You occasionally get like Egyptian geese in there, but apart from that, I can't really shoot in that direction. Not that there's anything to shoot at the moment. I just thought, what's he doing on his bike? You're not supposed to have bikes down there. Yeah, it's quiet. I don't know what's going on. Should be out by about now, 5 to 7.